Welcome to the 2023-2024 school year, and welcome to VizLab is your friend. During this school year, Claire Sims, along with the virtual intervention team, will be leading a 4-part series on the uses of VizLab. My name is Christy Kraus. There are a few things you need to know before you go. First, you need to wait to do this training until the day after you have access to your classes in Infinite Campus. Second, if you do not have an active VizLab account yet, go to My BVSD and find the tile that says VizLab Request Access and request access to your account. Today is part 1 in a series, VizLab is your friend. The purpose of this series is to share how VizLab is a helpful tool for BVSD teachers. Our goal is to make these sessions relevant to your practice, easy to access, and fun. We will primarily use literacy data as an example of what you can do with VizLab. We will focus on how to drill down in your data and get information you need about groups of students as well as individual students. Finally, you'll learn how to use the data to reflect on instruction. This gives you the agency to plan how your small groups will look and data to help you know what's working and what isn't working, and then make adjustments. Here's what we're planning for the series throughout the year. Information about the series will be posted on the VizLab website, or at the end of this slide deck, you will be able to click on a link. In August, we will be offering an asynchronous, which is what you are doing right now, called Getting to Know Your Students Using VizLab. On October 4th, during Late Start, we will offer Part 2, Data for Conferences 1. On February 7th, during Late Start, we will offer Part 3, Data for Conferences Part 2. And finally, on May 1st, during Late Start, we will be teaching you about end-of-the-year data and how to investigate student growth. So, who are we? Christy, Ingrid, Terry, and Kelly are all coming from Boulder Universal's Virtual Intervention Program, which was piloted last year and is continuing and growing this year. VIP is working with 14 schools across the district, offering virtual synchronous reading interventions to students reading on the cusp. Claire Sims is BVSD's Senior Data Visualization Designer. So let's get started with a self-reflection. We invite you to self-reflect about data and VizLab. Where are you at? Take 2 minutes to answer the questions on the next 4 slides. It is okay to say, I don't know. Once you finish the reflection, go to slide 8 and start the next video.